So we forged the hammer out of a 2-inch round of 1045 steel that we purchased online. We cut it using a bandsaw before squaring it off. After we squared it, we drilled 2 holes so we could punch through it, and we used increasing punch sizes from 1/2 inch to about 1 inch. We forged that hole relative down into a more oval shape, and we drifted it using 2 hammer drifts that we made using the steel we got from Charter Steel. After it was drifted, we annealed the hammer and ground most of it to shape. We removed a lot of the scale and any texture left from forging using the angle grinder and belt sanders. We then sanded everything to 200 grit finish in order to remove any scratches and prevent any stress fracturing during the heat treatment. After that, we heat treated at 1550 degrees Fahrenheit. We austenitized and quenched in water. Then we did 2 tempering cycles at 700 degrees Fahrenheit.